YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to see your energies for the coming week, and this reading is timeless, so whenever you happen to click on the link from that particular day, these energies are going to be applicable for you for a period of say 7 to 10 days. And this is going to be for all zodiac signs from Aries until Piscean, and you can check your zodiac sign in the timestamps below. So let us begin our reading with our first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for Aries friends. Let us see. So there is a decision that is waiting in front of them in the coming week. I feel that there is some documentation work that has to be done, or there is a certain decision that they are contemplating, and they need to finalize that in the coming week. So I do feel that there is a new opportunity for some people. This is work related, for some this is love relationship based, and for some this is with regard to their child. And this new opportunity has come to you in the last week, and I feel that you were not moving forward with this opportunity as you were unclear about the situation. So you were in a stuck up kind of a situation, either you or from the companies or the persons around you. There was no clarity coming regarding this opportunity. In the coming week, I do see that Monday, Tuesday, you are looking at things from a different perspective. Whatever a little bit of frustration, feeling tied up, as you are feeling that I'm not getting to hear from them. Mid of the week, the closure of a situation happens, and towards the weekend, your wish fulfillment. Your wish is fulfilled. There is hope. There is inspiration. So I do feel that one cycle, one chapter is closing, and what is coming forth towards you is a lot of healing and a lot of hope and inspiration and a wish fulfillment. Whatever you desired for is about to happen for you from the mid of the week until the end of the week. That is going to manifest in your favor. So, and if there was a person who was not feeling well in their health, and there was a situation of waiting on them, somewhere they are telling me that this person was in ICU, held in ICU. I feel that their soul is going to be released in the coming week. So if the situation was such that there was no relief, then I feel their soul had to be released, and that is going to happen towards the end of the week for this person. In a love scenario, it is possible that you were waiting on a partner who had backstabbed you, or it can be a situation or a person who had backstabbed you, and you were just going on waiting on them. And finally, I do feel that you're going to come out of this situation of betrayal, backstabbing, and cheating, deception, and the final outcome of the situation is going to be in your favor in the coming week. That's what I feel. Okay. Yes, so I feel it is a week of karmic rewards coming towards you. Whatever karma you had done, or whatever karma the other person had done, so they are going to pay for their karma, and you are going to get the rewards of your karma. I feel it is going to be that ways. So let me see. A bit of waiting period can be there till mid of the week. A bit of waiting period can be there. So if it is a new job, a new passion, or a good news has come to you in the last week, or might be you were waiting for it, it's about to come around Thursday, Friday, towards the weekend, this whole waiting scenario is going to end for you. The zodiac signs which I see very evident around you are Aquarius, Taurus, Libra, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Yes. Position of authority, exactly, you deserve it very well. So whatever is coming towards you is a position of authority as a result of what you fought for. And chair empty, someone is leaving your life. Exactly, I do feel that, you know, if there was a authority responsibility battle that you were fighting in your office place, I feel that somebody is going to leave their chair, empty their chair, and you are going to take this authoritative position in their place. This is wonderful. In some cases there is a certain family member whose soul is going to be released, and as a result you get an authoritative position in your family. For some of my friends it is of course a leaving situation in a love scenario. However, I do feel that another proposal of love, marriage and settlement comes to you from another person, and it is a week of optimism. It's a very very beautiful energy for you, as your hope is restored, as your inspiration, faith in divine is restored. For some of my friends it is a time frame of becoming a spiritual healer or a teacher. I do feel that you have been doing yoga, you have been taking healings, and you've happened to release a lot of your blockages from your spine, from all of your chakras, and so a lot of awakening and healing is happening into your body in the coming week. So it's a very very beautiful week of an upgrade for my Aries friends. Wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Do enjoy yourself thoroughly well. It's a week of optimism and positivity. Enjoy yourself. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Taurus, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. What are going to be the energies of the coming week, dear angels, for our Taurian friends? Let us see the energies of the coming week. Okay, so our Taurian friends are feeling stuck in a situation, or might be they were dominated by a person or a situation which made them feel very very choked, very very heartbroken. Okay, so I do feel that last week there was a major shift that took place in their life. And this was a shift that was meant to happen. They have moved away from people, places and situations that caused them a lot of heartbreak. Now in case of your work scenario, I do feel that you're moving away from a job, business, a career or a profession which was not giving you soul satisfaction, which was giving you more of heartaches and a lot of stress, and you have finally decided to move away, and this is eventually going to lead you to a lot of growth, success in your journey towards spirituality. They are telling me Monday, Tuesday I do see you very stuck in a situation. Now this can be a situation of happening in your work area, wherein I do see that there is a person or a group of people might be around you. There can be a person who is Aquarius, Capricorn or Virgo, Gemini, Taurus or Libra, Aquarius, Gemini person who is a very dominating, who is causing you a lot of pressure, who is giving you a lot of pressure, who is obsessed about you. Might be also there is also possibility that this person is asking you for some kind of sexual favors. And for some of my friends it is a situation of a lot of oppression, suppression and domination that they are feeling from a certain person around them. The zodiac signs I have mentioned you already, and this person is causing you a lot of domination on Monday, Tuesday, or it can be your own energy wherein you are feeling you are being very controlling or dominating on somebody around you. Mid of the week I do see you gaining back your energies, and you've started sensing it again that yes, you are abundant despite anything. You are good enough, you are sufficient for yourself, whole and soul. This is mostly the energy of a person who wants to stay in isolation, or might be you are isolated away from your partner. You do feel complete in yourself. The energy that you are radiating in the mid of the week tells me that you do feel complete in yourself and don't feel the need of any partner being by yourself, by your side. You do feel that you are financially independent as well. You are looking for independence in your business, your profession, in your work life, and your decision making. That's what I feel. Towards the weekend, you're getting a lot of mental clarity, and you are cutting people out of your life. People who are like narcissists, who are toxic, who are feeding on your energy. You have decided to protect yourself from these people, and you are not beating around the bush. You have rather finally decided to move away from these people, places, and situations. That is going to be your last coming week. Yeah, last week of August, they are telling me coming week of August going to be for you. So it is a movement. It's a week of movement. Might be you are traveling, or might be you are moving on from a situation. Definitely I do feel you are moving on from a relationship that was toxic, moving on from a work environment that was suffocating, or moving on from, if it was in your health that you were suffering from. Some people might be suffering from evil attachments or some negative blockages in their chakras, so they are their body is gaining more balance, and from the mid of the week you are moving on to a lot of stability, security in your own body, mind, and soul. And I do feel that there is an opportunity which is coming to you, which can help you manifest your own business or profession. You're getting an idea, a clarity, or a person is approaching you who is helping you out of this toxic condition that you're going through. So there is forward momentum. There is going to be a period of victory, success for you. There is going to be support by yourself in the coming week. That's what they're telling me. Yes, exactly. So dark woman, dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So now this woman with dark complexion of hair or hair, either she is toxic or she can be your help, your aid. For some people, this woman can be a devil who is creating this suffocating environment around you. So this woman is going to have dark hair. Either she has dark hair, she colors her hair in dark color, or she has dark complexion. A complexion can be darker than your complexion might be. So this woman, either she is going to come for your aid, or she can be a person who has created this toxic environment for you. Carriage, a journey, either physical or mental. I do feel that some of you are literally going to travel in the coming week, and others of you, this whole scenario of moving away from toxic people, places, and situation was your internal journey for mental growth and clarity. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Exactly, that's what the start of the week. I do feel it can be your own energy also, that you feel suffocated and choked by a person or a group of people. You do feel that they are against you. I feel there is a need for you to take those freedom healings that we have made on our YouTube channel. In fact, there is a playlist of healings which says release yourself from being a victim. You can take those healings, and they are really going to help you out of these blockages which are in your own body, because of which you are attracting similar energy people towards you. The vast universe, this card tells me that universal energies, all this what has happened for you in the last week, or might be last month, there is a universal magic that is about to manifest in your life, and this has happened for your good. I do feel that there is something inside of you which can help you manifest a business of your own, or might be a profession of your own. or might be if you were in a relationship that was toxic, it is a need for you to vibrate at a different frequency and know that you are good enough. You do not have to participate with toxic people who are using you and not giving anything in return. So overall, I will tell you that it is a week of forward momentum. You might be shocked in this situation, you might be heartbroken, but from Wednesday onwards, I do feel that there is a different energy that is going to connect with you, as there are people around you who are going to give you a lot of clarity on your situation and who are going to help you out also of this toxic environment, this toxic situation. So I wish you all the best, my Taurian friends. Now let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Gemini. Yes, Gemini. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. What is the energy vibration of the coming week for our Gemini friends? So I do feel that my Gemini friends are looking for some kind of a commitment. Documentation work might be coming from court of law, or might be coming from an organization. Looking for love, looking for commitment, looking for soulmates, I do feel, my Gemini friends. And they have a lot of compassion inside of them. They have been fighting their battles with a lot of courage and compassion. So I do feel that in the last week there were a few situations which were frustrating for them, but they were not giving up. Might be there was a situation around a person who is Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and this person could have been challenging for you. For many of my friends, I do feel that this person is a Leo person, and you were having a bit of a tough time communicating with them. Might be there was some competition, there were some challenges. If it is in a work area, I do feel that you faced a lot of challenges and competition in the last weeks. Even sometimes you felt like giving up on the situation. Might be for pursuing your career, your spirituality, your healings. There can be a teacher around you, or might be you are becoming a teacher, something of the sorts. I do feel that you are learning something also in the coming week. I see very, very beautiful energies around you. I feel that in the coming week is going to bring a lot of stability in your physical body. Then in your physical, mental, emotional body, you have been very, very strong from inside, and all your battles you have fought from your inner strength. And so the coming week can be a celebratory week for you. Some kind of a news of manifestation of marriages, engagements, start of a relationship in a commitment that you were looking for can happen for some of my friends. For some of my friends, it can be a birthday of a child, or might be an educative some educative program that you've started for yourself or for your child. And for some of my friends, this is an opportunity of a work that they want to begin. Might be work from home. And I do see that a certain goddess, that is I think Sheravali Mata, Vaishno Mata, is blessing you in the coming week in this whole start of this new opportunity that is about to manifest in you. So there is one life cycle or one chapter that has ended for you in the last week, which was frustrating for you. Now you are moving on to your next life cycle. I think with the full moon energy and the Uranus retrograde, there is a blessing that is coming towards you. It can be in your relationship areas, it can be in your work areas, it can be with your regard to your health or manifestation of home for some people. So Monday, Tuesday, very, very passionate, very, very strong, courageous, compassionate time frame. You are very strong, you're cracking all the interviews, you're cracking all the tests, everything. Mid of the week, your 11/11 moment, your wishes coming true, you are celebrating, some kind of a celebration happening around. Towards the weekend, I do see that a seed has been planted of something new that is going to grow in future into something stable. Now this can be a financial opportunity or a good health opportunity or an opportunity of a stable relationship happening for you in the coming week. Nest, exactly. An emotionally secure loving family is important for you. So with the eggs, I do feel that for some of my friends, it's a very good time frame of conception of child, or might be you get a news of your child conceiving, or anybody in your family conceiving a child, or a childbirth news comes to you. On the other hand, it can be a good news with regard to your child, or with regard to a family or a home. Nest also talks of a home, so manifestation of a home might be, oh my god, and my ring broke, oh my god. So there is something that ended, that could have been a commitment that has ended, which was meant to be broken, and I feel that there is going to be a new ring in this place, and a new commitment is going to head towards you. Okay, so we have waiting on news, package or letter. This is very beautiful. So a new package, letter, might be an upgrade in your company, might be a new letter offer of joining a new place, new work. Good news, family matters. Wow, for some of my friends, this is like a marriage, one marriage breaking up and another fixing up, something of the sort. It's very beautiful week for you. So loss, they are showing me that the energy of loss is there. I do feel that you are looking back onto things that have been lost, that have been ended. However, you should be looking forward to the things that are coming towards you, as in this boat coming towards you. So loss is behind you, and what is coming towards you are beautiful opportunities in the coming week. So I wish you all the best, my Gemini friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. And let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. So what are the energy vibrations? So I do feel that the coming week is going to be quite an active week for my Cancerian friends. There was something that they were intuitively thinking about, and there is a news going to come to them. There is travel involved in the coming week. There is a situation of wish fulfillment for some of my Cancerian friends in the coming week. Wow, exactly what I did see in the Hindi reading also. So there is an opportunity of expansion that is manifesting for you. So I do feel that there is a good news heading towards you. If you were wishing for a good news and you were wishing for blessings from the divine realm, or balancing in your home life, work life, something of the sorts, or balancing in the relationship that you have with your child or your partner, something of the sorts, that balance is going to come, give and take balance is going to come into your life in the coming week. So start of the week, I do feel that there's a lot of hope, inspiration, a wish fulfillment is happening. Mid of the week, I do see you waiting on someone. There is an opportunity of expansion for you. You are communicating with people around you, might be travel is involved. And towards the end of the week, I do feel that you're a bit defensive. You are holding too tight to whatever you have with you already and not willing to give that up. So these are your last karmic battles that you're fighting. Towards the end of the week, I do feel. Yes, so it is a time of it's a time of a rebirth for you. Your last karmic battles, the battles that you were fighting in this life, of the karmas of your past life, those are going to end in this coming week. There is going to be a big announcement, can be from a company for you, of an upgrade, or of an opportunity of wish fulfillment. If you were wishing for an opportunity to move to another city, state, or a country, that opportunity can manifest for you. Something that you were really defensive about, that you were not giving up on, that you were fighting for, is going to manifest for you. A good news with regard to that you're going to hear in the coming week. Oh my god, what beautiful cards. Oh my god, I'm going to pick them up later on. So, week of a wish fulfillment. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, in a love scenario, yes, I do feel that, if you were stuck up in a relationship and wishing for a balance, there is somebody calling on you. Now this person can be younger to you in age, or there is an age difference that I do feel, and they are calling towards you, giving you balance in this relationship. So I do feel that there is expansion. You have started seeing expanding your horizon, looking for more options for yourself, and I do feel that there is going to be a reconciliation with the person from the past of this life, or might be past of any of your other life, comes towards you with an offer of love. Okay, exactly what I was thinking, and I was saying you were fighting your last karmic battle. So they say karma, you will reap what you have sown, and I do feel that you're going to reap very, very beautiful rewards for you, because my Cancerian friends have sown beautiful things, have been working hard. Secret admirer, exactly. I do feel that there is a person who is your secret admirer, who is either, there is an age difference with this person. So I feel that there can be a situation of reconciliation, a big judgment coming from the universe, and this person is your true love. So it is time of true love manifesting into your life. And over here with this card, I will also say that you need to show your authentic self to the world, your true self, your authentic self, to vibrate on a frequency wherein you attract people who are true to you, towards you. And there is another beautiful card for my Cancerian friends. This is a time frame in the coming week of great achievements, and I do feel that for some of my friends it is an achievement in their work area. For some of my other friends it can be a marriage, resettlement, or some kind of an achievement of an upgrade or something of the sort. So there is going to be it's a period of good energy, because you have started vibrating the frequency of true love, and that's why these great achievements and these events are coming towards you. So very, very beautiful week for my Cancerian friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Whatever judgment is coming towards you due to your karma is very, very good. It is a second opportunity for you to manifest things that could not have been manifest for you till now. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Now let us move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Leo, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week. So our Leo friends have been in an isolation mode in the last week. That might be they were away from people, not interacting with people, and they felt isolated. In the coming week there is a destiny shift happening for them, which is really good. So first thing, I feel that if you were feeling low in your health, there is going to be rejuvenation of your health in the coming week. I do feel that you have felt physically, emotionally drained, and you are really wishing on, gaining back your physical health, emotional health. For some of my friends, there is a situation wherein they feel lack of finances, or lack of support from people or their partners around them. That is what is there on their mind. In the last week, might be you felt like that. So you can take that scarcity healing from our YouTube channel, which can help you heal out of this situation. So in the coming week, there is a destiny shift that is heading towards you. But what is happening, this destiny shift is going to actually lead to a period of a bit of stagnation, and that period of stagnation and waiting is causing you a bit of anxiety, because whenever there is change, we do feel that when is it going to happen, why I cannot get the clarity. So there is a situation of kind of anxiety happening around you, and you need to see the situations and the people around you from a different perspective. I feel in the coming week, I do feel that there is a person around you who is going to give you an absolute clarity on your situation. Okay, mid of the week, it is time frame of good luck manifesting for you, change manifesting for you, money coming towards you. There is a lot of clarity of mind in the coming week. Whatever that was hazy, whatever on scenario on which you wanted clarity, that clarity is going to come towards you in the coming week. So if you were suffering on your health, I do feel that the test reports are going to come towards you in the coming week. I do feel that there is going to be a period of more patience that is required on your part. I feel that you're suffering from dark thoughts, negative energies. Your consciousness, your subconscious mind has some negative thinking patterns that need to be released. Then towards the end of the week, I do feel that there is going to be some kind of a documentation work also. So if you had given some kind of an interview, I feel that that interview can be that can crack in your favor, but there is going to be some waiting time frame in that. There can be a waiting period, some documentation work, and also if you were looking in for some kind of visas, approvals or something, there is a time frame of waiting that is that I do feel for you in the coming week. So there is a two-faced friend around you. I feel that you're going to cut your cords from a two-faced person who is around you in the coming week. So this person can be Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, or Aquarius sign person, Aquarius or Gemini sign person with whom you need to cut your cords. Broken wishbone, wish will not be granted. So might be there is a situation because of this two-faced friend that a certain wish is not granted in the coming week. They say do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. So you need to fight for yourself in a certain situation that is going to happen in the coming week for you. With the zodiac signs that I told you, if a certain wish is not granted for you, you need to fight for your position. It might take more time, but you need to give your clarity to the right people around you. So do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude, and fight against this two-faced person who is there in your life behind the mask. Exactly, I do feel that either you or a person around you is wearing a mask. They are not showing their real true self to you. So you need to reveal this mask from this person, this two-faced friend of yours, that is going to be revealed to you in the coming week. Or if you are wearing this mask and you do not show your authentic self to the people or the situations in your work area or your relationships, you need to come out of this mask and show your authentic self to all of the people around you, so that whatever you desire manifests in your life at earliest. So it is definitely some kind of a change is heading towards you. It is a period of a destiny shift that is happening, and all that was lacking in your life is soon going to be over, just as you show your authentic self to the world. That's what I feel. Okay, now let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. So dear angels, what is the energy vibration of the coming week for our Virgo friends? Energy vibrations of the coming week. So our Virgo friends, I feel, have been going through some kind of win-win situation, a lot of argumentations, ego fights, heartbreaks. That's what they're telling me. In the past week, might be people around them or the situations around them have, made them feel some kind of discontent. They were not feeling soulfully joyed in the last week. Soulful joy. So yes, on their mind is a lot of freedom that they want to come into their own power. They want to heal themselves from the situations that make them feel choked, and I feel that freedom healing is really going to help you out. And in the coming week, I feel Monday, Tuesday, there is a very, very beautiful energy of you feeling more grounded, you feeling beautiful, you taking care of yourself, doing your homework and your office work, balancing it well, and feeling abundant in all areas of your life. And towards the mid of the week, I do feel you need to give gratitude to the universe. I feel that you are feeling some extent of discontent in your life, unsatisfied by a person, emotionally not available in a situation, or emotionally not being able to help yourself out or help a situation or a person out. And towards the weekend, I feel that you are making a sneaky move away from a situation that was causing you a lot of heartache or causing you a lot of headache. So towards the weekend, I see you cheating on somebody, might be, or might be some kind of manipulative motives around you on your mind, or manipulative motives of a person around you who is not clear, who is hiding things from you, something of the sorts. Exactly, victim mentality is on your mind. This is your consciousness, this is what you're feeling at present. You feel like a victim, and there is a healing on the YouTube channel. There is a playlist of healing on the YouTube channel which says release yourself from being victim. You take that healing for all of the coming week to come out of this energy. I do feel that you want to move away from people, places and situations that make you feel less than who you are, that you feel are manipulative, that you feel cause you a lot of stress, mental stress, some kind of. You need to plan a strategy out of a certain situation and not run away from people and emotions. So you need to talk out with the people around you, and you need to plan a strategy. Yes, so this whole situation in the coming week is a situation of seeing things from a different perspective to change your energy vibration. Absolutely, you are hung and stuck on a certain situation and you need to change your perspective, I feel. So let's see. Firecrackers, excitement. So there is something you're very excited about. Just the start of the week, I do feel there is excitement. Monday, Tuesday, new home, new attitude. Beautiful. So this is a very, very good energy for you, that you might be working on your home, improving your energies, or you're moving to another home, shifting, purchasing a new home. Something in your home environment is changing, might be you're traveling. So this new home is bringing a new attitude, muddled, unclear thinking. So exactly with the Seven of Swords card, I do feel that there is a lot of negative thinking pattern. It can be yours, or it can be of a person around you who is manipulative, or who is trying to run away from you, or might be you are running wishing space from this person. So there is muddled, unclear thinking on somebody's mind. Joyous fun. So what I feel that, it's a very very mixed week for you, because I see excitement, I see joyous fun also happening in this week. However, there towards the weekend, I feel that, there is some negative thinking, kind of a manipulative kind of an energy. All throughout the week, I do feel that, there is going to be fun and excitement for you, or might be you're planning a holiday or a trip. So it's a mixed week for you. All you need to do is work on that victim mentality that you're having, wherein you want to run away from stressful people and situations. You will be out of that, and you'll find freedom in your life with that healing. So wish you all the best. Yeah, I didn't read it from the love perspective. From the love perspective, I do feel that, there is a person on your mind whom you feel is cheating on you, who is manipulative, who can be a third party situation. Might be you are indulging with joy and fun with this person and cheating on your partner, or might be your partner is doing this. So that kind of an energy might be is there for you in the coming week. So I do feel that you might be spying on your spouse, or your spouse is spying on you. Something of the sorts is happening, or might be your boyfriend, girlfriend situation. So now let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So let us see the energies of the coming week for our Libran friends. So there is a very tiring cycle completing for our Libran friends. I do feel that they have been feeling burdensome. They have been working a lot in the last few weeks. So start of the week only, there is some kind of a stressful situation. Now this can be a mental stress, or this can be physical mental stress that you're going through, or this can be a fight in the teamwork at home or in the office place. Might be there is a situation of fight or disapproval of your projects, might be, or something of the sorts in the beginning of the week. However, the week has a very strong balancing energy with the card of the Lovers. Last week, I feel that you really worked on your ego self, and you were operating from love in all situations. You have been able to release with the full moon energy. You have been able to release a lot of negative emotions and ego from your body. So the start of the week, Monday, Tuesday, I do feel that some kind of a stressful situation is around you. Fighting in the team, in a family, or in your work area, or there are challenges, competitions around you. Mid of the week, I do feel that you are working in a team, again building on your team and being appreciated for your projects, your work. Your team people, your clients appreciate you. Towards the weekend, I do feel that there is a lot of harmony. There is a beautiful soulmate time frame. Either you're enjoying with your partner, or there is a soulful connection with your family, extended family, friends, siblings, or might be you are connecting with the divine realm. You are connecting with your higher self towards the weekend, I do feel. So it is a week of you gaining back your balance. Although I'm breathing very heavy, I do feel that you need to do some breathing exercises for yourself in the coming week to build back this balance, to come in connection with divine. Even if you are a spiritual person, you need to do your breathing exercises, you need to do your yoga, your meditations, to gain back this balance that might be you're struggling in your physical body, emotional body, or mental body in the start of the week. So the zodiac signs which I see very evident around you are Gemini, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, and Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Yes. Okay. Increase in material wealth and spiritual growth. Yes, I do feel that when you are going to Pay attention to yourself, do your meditations, your breathing exercises, and get down to your balance, balancing your chakras, taking your healings. I do feel that you are going to have material growth as well as spiritual growth in the coming week. Wow! Basket, recognition, reward, and merit. That's what I was feeling with the Three of Pentacle card, that there is going to be an upgrade. People that you're working with are going to appreciate you, reward you, and recognize your talents, your work. It can be your family members also. For some of my friends, this is building of a relationship in love. Might be you're building a marriage out of love. For some of my friends, this is literally building a home or a business or a project. For some of my friends, this is building on their reputation, their expansion in their work profile. 10 card, celebration, fun and enjoyment. Very, very beautiful energies for my Libran friends. Their heart chakra is opening up and soulmate connections are coming. Status quo, I do feel that something is going to raise your status in the coming week. So for some of my friends, this is going to be an opportunity of upgrade in their work area. For some of my friends, there is recognition, name, fame, recognition, affection, attention, appreciation that is coming, that is giving them a raise in their status. For some of my friends, it is a status change, status raise, as in divine timing they are going to manifest marriages for them. In divine timing they are going to manifest childbirth, which is going to elevate their status from one level to another. For some of my friends, they are gaining their more power, they are gaining more strength and more popularity in their spiritual career, might be. So it is a very, very beautiful time frame for my Libran friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. And now let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio. Let us see the energy vibrations for our Scorpion friends in the coming week. So our Scorpion friends are working very, very hard on a certain project and persevering through. So there might be a contract, a financial contract that came to them in the last week, or it might be on their mind. They want to manifest a certain business contract or a work contract or a certain contract with regard to their child. Might be a stability or security, a marriage proposal that they want for their child. In the coming week, I do see them persevering through, doing a lot of hard work, ending their projects, ending their whatever they are doing. Some of them are building homes, building their businesses. They are investing in something that is eventually going to give them momentum in their life and more growth into their life. It is a period of travel and movement also for some of my friends, but in doing so, I do feel that you are feeling a bit tired in the coming week. So the energies of the coming week are tiresome, as I do feel that travel is involved, and I do feel that you are going to close, you are going to end these burdens. Whatever you were persevering through, you are going to end them in the coming week. For some of my friends, it can be literally a final decision of moving to another city, state or a country, or manifesting their home, or making an investment in their home, or a business in another place that they are contemplating. For some of my friends, it is a manifestation of marriage that is there on their mind. They were really looking for a change, and towards the weekend I do see that there is communication which comes to them, which finally leads to a forward momentum, a victory, success, and And if there was something on which you were doing a lot of hard work, with regard to that, there is going to be forward momentum, there is going to be success. You've already sown the seeds of your hard work, you've really worked hard, and so you are going to see results of this hard work towards the end of the coming week. There is going to be some sort of a communication. Somebody can be traveling towards you, or might be you are traveling, and in the whole process it is possible that you are feeling tired. So if you had any intuitions about something you wanted to manifest, and over here I do see a home also here. Some of you are manifesting a home in another city, state, or a country, so planning to move to another place, and that is tiresome, might be. Finger warning you of a problem either now or in future. I do feel that some of you are too tired, and if it is a report on your health that you're seeking, I do feel that you are very, very tired, physically, in your bones, in your teeth, in your body. You are very tired. You need to make a regime, you need to persevere through your health, you need to follow good diet regime, good exercising regime to take care of your health. And I do feel that you need to get your full body checkups done if you feel tired and drained in your body. You're on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. That is beautiful. I do feel that you are on a right path, but if you're too drained, there is a warning that is coming to you. It can be with regard to a certain investment plan also that you are making, so be very careful with regard to whatever communications you are doing, how you are communicating, and see your options carefully before signing the contracts that are coming towards you. Behind a mask, so it is possible the person around you is wearing a mask. They are deceptive, they pretend to be someone else, however they do not show their true selves, or might be you are wearing a mask. So it is a guidance for you to see the authenticity of people around you, and see them behind their mask. So it can be a warning against a person who is wearing a mask, or might be if you are wearing a mask and pretending to be someone else in order to get a certain project, or in order to manifest a certain marriage or commitment for yourself. This is a warning for you, and the angels are guiding you to show your authentic self, to manifest this big thing, as you are on the right path with a certain aspect of your life. But if you try to pretend to be someone else that you are not, then this might this might not be a fruitful manifestation for you. So you know it better, dear friends, how these messages relate to you. Listen to your intuition and you will be guided. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to you, my Scorpion friends. Let's move further and see the energies of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends. So what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends? Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends. Energy vibrations of the coming week for our many cards, many cards. Okay, let's see like this. Let me take a few cards. So for my Sagittarius friends, I feel that there is something new that they want to do for themselves. Either they have a certain career or a passion on their mind, or they want to rejuvenate their health, might be, or they want to start afresh. There is a love relationship on their mind. Overall, I feel that there is adventure, there is passion, there is growth. There is something new that they want to manifest into their life. That is what they are seeking for themselves. So let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. So I do feel that there is a shocking news that is heading towards you in the coming week. It is a week of transformation. The zodiac signs which I see most evident around you are Leo, Sagittarius, Aries and Capricorn. So there is a news that is going to come to you. Now this news can come to you from a Leo, Aries or a Sagittarius person or a Capricorn person or a person who is younger to you in age. Can be your child, can be your brother, sister, or somebody who has a childlike spirit, might be, or might be who is more immature than you, younger to you in age. That's what I feel. There is a movement, there is travel involved in this news. There is somebody might be is moving away from you, or there is some kind of an opportunity. Either it comes to somebody that you are indecisive whether you should be pursuing it or not. However, this opportunity or this whatever this news is a news of movement, and they insisted that I give you this card of courage. So you need to have the energy of courage in the coming weeks. So right from Monday, Tuesday, I see that you are being very strong. You're being guided by divine goddesses, and there is a Leo person who is very evident around you on Monday, Tuesday. And I do feel you are very passionate, you are very courageous, you are very you're fighting your battles, I do feel, and taming. There is a person who is very dominating around you, but you are tackling this person with a lot of grace, with a lot of compassion. Mid of the week, I do feel that there is a news that is coming towards you, and this news is shocking towards you. There is a certain transformation, there is a certain movement that is going to happen from your life as a result of this news. Might be literally you will have to travel. Either someone is traveling towards you, or you will have to travel because of this this sudden news, this shocking information that is coming towards you. So you need to have courage in the coming week. So you need to be your authentic self. You need to present your courage like a lioness. You are a lion. You need to fight for yourself in a certain situation. That's what they're telling me. They say deep personal strength and peace that assures success. So success is yours. Exactly, I was feeling that you have a lot of personal strength in the coming week. Get back to the basics. Follow your routines. Dissatisfaction with life. I do feel that there is a certain news that is coming towards you which will cause a bit of dissatisfaction in your life, wherein somebody, I do feel, is moving away from you, or might be you are moving away from a relationship. It is possible that you were indecisive about a certain person coming towards you for a new relationship. Might be there was an age difference in this relationship. However, I do feel that there is you are moving away from a certain person you were already in relationship with towards something else. So this is a week of moving on with life, holding back your balance, having the courage and moving forward and going with the flow. That's what I feel for my Sagittarius friends. So there is a transformation, there is a change heading towards you. It can be in your home area, your work area, or your relationship or your health area. There is a transition happening for you in the coming week. So now let us move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. What are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Capricorn friends? Let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week. For our Capricorn friends, wow, beautiful energies, very grounded energies, you being very dedicated to your task, loyal, sincere, dedicated, devoted, fantabulous energies for our Capricorn friends in the coming week. If there was a change that you were contemplating on, there is blissful abundance manifesting into your life. You've made a major release from your energy body, and that is how you are being able to manifest abundance in your mind, body and soul. Number one, your health is very good, and there is a lot of grounding energy, stability coming in your love relationships. Moving on to the next chapter in your love relationships, if you were in a committed love relationship with a person, I do feel that you are about to marry them. There is an opportunity of settlement with them. If you were already married to a person, this is an opportunity of moving on to parenthood. For some of my friends, there is an opportunity of upgrade. Whatever work you were doing might be you plan to move to another city, state or a country. Some of you are manifesting home for yourself. There is an upgrade that is happening to you. One chapter of your life is being completed and you're accomplishing a next stage in your life. Your central energy is that of the Two of Cups, which tells me that very harmonious relationships around you. People around you, be it friends, your family members, your colleagues, are very cooperative, are your soul families, and they are helping you in this upgrade. For some of you, there is definitely a shift in your position and financial benefit also coming along with that. For some of you, your father, your elder brother, your husband becomes evident, and there is some kind of an upgrade happening in their life. However, I do feel that you are feeling very abundant. You are having a Midas touch. Anything that you're touching in the coming week becomes gold. So for your children, might be they are going to the next stage. There is a period of accomplishment. Marriage is happening, childbirths happening, going to colleges, going to work areas, upgrades happening, travel happening for some of my friends if they wanted to manifest that. This is successful outcome to your problem, and there is a key. So somebody will be handed over a key. You have all the keys inside of you. You are very wise. You're very grounded in the coming week. Frying pan, trouble, accusations. If there was an energy of trouble and accusation around you, you are going to overcome this energy in the coming week. There is a lot of love happening. There is a lot of kindred partnerships happening, completing your projects, and a lot of abundance that you sense yourself. Increase. Exactly, I was feeling with the King of Pentacles. There is going to be increase in your abundance, in your growth, abundance, spiritual growth also. And over here also, I feel some of you are manifesting something tangible in material world. So very beautiful energies for my Capricorn friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Very beautiful, blissful time frame for you. Money, abundance, gifts coming from the universe for you. Wonderful. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So let us see the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Aquarian friends. Energy vibrations for the coming week. So there is a situation of suspense on their mind, on my Aquarius friends. They feel a lot of lack, either financially or lack in their relationships. Might be lack from their parents, their partners, their children. They want to build on a relationship. Okay, let's see what it is. So they are contemplating a change, definitely. Now this can be a residential move also, or moving away from a partner that is flirtatious in nature, or moving away from a relationship which is not committed. So that is the kind of energy. I do feel that you are, in the last week, you have felt that you have been giving 200% in your home, in your relationships, and you are not getting anything in return. In the start of the week also, Monday, Tuesday, I do feel that there is a lot of blockage in your heart chakra, your third eye chakra, your sacral chakra, and there are going to be situations of wherein you are going to cry, you are going to release these blockages from your body. There is a certain loss that you are remorsing on, some situations from past that you are thinking about them, and you are missing a few people and remorsing on a certain situation, or a person might be you were in relationship with who was younger than you, and might be you feel a lack of this relationship, or might be you miss them. This person can be your son, your brother, or a younger partner whom you miss. For some of my very few friends, it can be a loss of this person in their life that they really remorse. Mid of the week, I do feel that you are trying to build on your reputation, you are trying to build on a project, or you are trying to build on a certain relationship, and you are being appreciated and you are being recognized by people around you. Towards the end of the week, I feel that there is an upgrade happening. You are moving towards something that gives you more than just the mundane things. You are moving towards spirituality, you are moving towards an upgrade and a growth, or might be for some of my friends there is travel destined for you. There is a situation of transformation. This is a week of a lot of transformation happening. Shocking news or a shocking situation wherein you suddenly decide on to move away from people, places, or situations that were causing you a lot of discontent. I do feel for you. And with the moon energy, I feel with the full moon night tonight, there are certain secrets that are going to be revealed to you, and a clarity is going to come towards you, which is going to eventually help you making in this decision of moving on in a certain relationship, or moving away from a certain relationship or a certain scenario, I feel, in your life. Someone working against you behind your back. So there is a person who is very manipulative, who is very deceptive, who is working behind you, behind your back, and might be with the energy of the full moon, this is exposed to you, the situation is exposed to you, which makes you feel sad. There is a dealing or a relationship with a woman that is going to be highlighted to you in the coming week. Might be this woman is someone who is working behind your back. So yes, so this woman can be a cause of a certain destruction that is happening in your life, or a certain transformation that is happening into your life, in your life. The vast universe, with this card, I feel that, you know, whole of the universal energies are connected with you to manifest best of the best in your life. Do not hold back to the changes that are coming towards you. Go with the flow, move towards something that gives you soulful joy. Leave the things that are making you feel less than who you are, that give you discontent. From the situations you want to escape, move away from people, places, and situations that cause you a lot of fear, they tell me, and lot of tears and fears that they tell me. So that is the guidance message for my Aquarius friends. So now let us move on to the last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. So what is the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Piscean friends? So end of a very painful, deceptive cycle has happened in their life. Love is manifesting, soulful connections, give and take, equal give and take of love, compassion, understanding, which was not there for them in past. Might be they have finally found their soulmate, and all that was blocked in their chakras, which was not balanced, is now bringing a lot of balance into their life. Balance of give and take, balance of karma is manifesting into their life. Divine gifts are coming, universe is blessing them. So this is a period of a big transformation heading towards them in the coming week. So love is manifesting again in the Hindi reading also. I did see this King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Lovers. For some of my friends, it is absolutely a period of love, marriage, manifesting with the like-minded people, a soulmate's twin flame connection. A soulmate connection is manifesting in their life. A period of big transformation and change is heading towards you. Yes, love manifesting into your life. Exactly. Love, 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 balance. For some of my friends, the energy that was blocked in their chakras is going to be released, and a big awakening is going to happen. If you're a spiritual person and you were looking for balance in your body, in your chakras, wherein you wanted to connect with your soul family, I do feel that, you know, this balance is going to come. This blocked energy is going to be released towards the weekend, and so this balance is going to come of give and take of your name, fame, recognition, and popularity. Also, for some of my friends, it is a week of change of a job. Change, something is shifting, something is changing in their life, definitely, and the energy of courage is by their side. Take the steps, be courageous. That's what they are telling me. Soulmate relationships, your heart chakra is opening up. Handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important. So 2 of Cups and meeting with a stranger. I feel this person is your soulmate. This person is from either from this life or past of any of your life, who can bring you a new business opportunity, work, career opportunity, or can be your soulmate in this life. You're going to meet this person in the coming week. Month of November becomes evident. So if you wanted to manifest a commitment in your love, I feel marriage commitments can happen for you in the month of November. I feel this divine gift is going to come towards you. Some of you are being guided to do some charity towards the unfortunate people in the coming week. Someone you know is undependable and insecure. I feel with the Tower card, the energy of the weekend, there is a person around you who is undependable and insecure. This person has a very shaky energy. What happens that they are not I feel that they are not mentally stable. What happens that sometimes they feel emotionally, they feel too overwhelmed, too much in love. Sometimes they feel a lot of anger and aggression. So this person is not on a stable ground, and this person is undependable and insecure around you. This person, you are going to know this person better. The zodiac signs which are very evident for you in the coming week are Gemini, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, and Piscean, Cancer, Scorpio. These are the zodiac signs which are evident for you. New beginnings are heading for you in the coming week. For some of my friends, it is also manifestation of childbirth. For some of my friends, it is a new beginning in their work area, something new that they are starting. Some of my friends, it is in their love and relationship areas. Very beautiful time frame for my Piscean friends. Manifest your new beginnings. I feel the month of November becomes evident for you. So a week of transformation and change for you. Lots of love and best wishes to my Piscean friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week, and I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to all of my friends here on Healing Souls. Thank you very much, dear friends.